Hey everybody, Jim King with the King Pierce team out here in Independence, Missouri. This is a total of 7 pier project. We got 3 going on the back side, and we've got our piers already underneath the bottom row of stone, 4 of them around this side and the other side, the front south side. We've raised it already. Everything's back to where it needs to be. We're just now ready to encase it in concrete. We got to get this job done. This is kind of a special situation. The homeowner here, Angie, I believe she said Disney is shooting a video here and making her house part of the movie, a movie from Disney, and they're using this beautiful historic home. So we got to get done out here. I think they're going to start shooting Friday. So bear with me. I think today we'll be finished with all the pier repair, straightening the porch columns, which isn't part of our contract. I don't like to see uneven. It won't take nothing to straighten it. So, but tomorrow morning we'll encase our piers, get it back filled with dirt, clean up, call it good. For all your foundation repair needs, we are the very proven best at raising things and making homes, buildings, structures level. Give me a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.